What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing something that is basically essential for any car, any race car for that matter, and that is restoring the headlights. Why, what did you think we were doing? It still doesn't start. I haven't bought a battery for it yet, so we're just going to jump start it with one of my other cars and we'll move it into the garage, because as you can see, it's been raining. So we need to move it into the garage to get this done. So let's do that. Alright, now that we've done that, we can pop that bonnet. And then, how do I even open this? There we go. And then we can get started on this. So, let's get it started. Alright, it's all set up. Put the key in. Let's find out. We got lights. Hey! Yo, let's go! Alright, let's get her into the garage. Alright, so we've got the car in now. Next thing we'll need to do is we'll probably clean up the headlight, because obviously it's been raining, as you can see. So we'll need to clean it up. Probably use Metho or something like that. Clean all that up. Once it's ready to go, we can start getting it done. So better go and do it, eh? Alrighty, so we've just finished cleaning the headlights here. I don't know if you could tell in the video, but I didn't mask anything off. Typically you would mask things off, but for our uses, for what we're using this car for, it won't be necessary. But let's continue. We've got it all clean now. It doesn't look great, obviously, because there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But now that it's all clean, we can get started on the actual process. So let's get that started. So we'll be using a headlight restorer kit, something like this one here. Just picked it up out of Super Cheap, basically. There are a lot of different headlight restorer kits that you can use. I just went for this one because it's basically the first one I found and it seemed to have good reviews. So we'll give that a crack. But I know you can sort of buff and polish headlights with compound and that sort of thing, but for our needs, it's not gonna be necessary. So let's get started. Alright, so we start this off by immediately throwing away the instructions, because we're a grown man who knows exactly what we're doing. I then turn around and immediately realize I have no idea what I'm doing, so I find the instructions once again and study them until I can memorize them off the top of my head. I then glance back at the instructions because I really do not know what I'm doing. I then, I'm going to put some of this stuff on this pad. Yep, that definitely worked. Yep, still definitely working, until I take the cap off and realize there's a cap on it. I then spend what feels like the next 45 minutes trying to take this cap off. I don't know why they super glue them on or weld them on. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, for the next 45 minutes, that's what I'm doing. I then start using my teeth because I have no other option, and I've also just hurt my finger. I then keep going with my fingers until finally So the camera died, which isn't helpful. It's not helpful at all. We did get the headlight finished. I'll just show you what it is like. Now it's not perfect, but it is 100% better than what it was before. I don't know if you can tell, but there's still, there's still scratches and stuff, but it is 1,000,000% better than what it was. And considering the other side at the moment looks like that, all oxidized and that sort of thing, I reckon it's done a pretty good job. So my camera's dead, so I won't be able to film the other side, but I'll get that one done and then I'll show you the finished product. Alrighty, we've finished the right-hand headlight, and it honestly came out better than the passenger side, I think. So it looks a hell of a lot better. It's hard to tell in this light, but it just looks heaps better now. But I still think that the driver's side came out better than the passenger side. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know, I might need to go back over the passenger side, but we still have one more stage left. We've got to put on the base coat, and what was the other thing we've got to do? Let me have a look. The base coat and the lens sealing coat. So I'll get that done. So I'll see you in a second. All right, so bit of a wardrobe change because I'm made of magic. It's all done. Heaps better. I mean, the difference is astonishing, especially on the driver's side. Like, my god, massive difference. Definitely going to win races with it now. Now I haven't actually explained why I've bought this and what the plans are for it, but I will be explaining it in the next video. So stay tuned. That should be coming out shortly. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.